Whoa. Hey guys, it's Alice. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making a Christmas tree. Now I'm not going to physically plant and grow a Christmas tree. I'm going to make a fake tree. So I went to the store and I got some items. It's gonna be fun. So I am starting a Christmas series. This might be a little bit too early. It's not too early to start a Christmas series for me since I already decorated my room in September. I love Christmas. It's like my favorite holiday. And I know a lot of people are like me like that. So if you're looking for Christmas videos starting in the middle of November, you've come to the right place. Okay, so I got this bag, and these two things. So all this stuff wasn't too much money. I'm not trying to like flex or anything. So I got, well, I'll start with these. So this is like a frame kind of. Put it back here, see. It's hard to see in the camera, but it's pretty much just the wires of a frame, and it's like a Christmas tree. It's actually not even, like you can tell that the tip's not there and it has to be. I think I'm gonna take like a book and put it there before I can make the permanent solution. Yeah, that's actually the perfect size. And then for the physical tree, I like bought some stuff, but I'm probably gonna have extras, so I got this so I could make a wreath. 9 feet of Canadian pine garland. So pretty much, this was very cheap. I thought it would be more expensive. This is all like twisted right now, so it's gonna take a while for me to untwist and figure out how to manage. It's pretty much the size of it, and I have 9 feet of that, and I got 2, so I have 18 feet of Christmas like tree. So that's going to be the physical tree and the wreath. So that's pretty much the big items. And here's all the decorating items, like little ornaments and some bows. I saw these at the store and I'm like, if I don't get these, I'm gonna be really sad. These are just like so cute. I might put like a bow on the tree. I got 2 gold bows. I'm gonna put one of the gold bows on the top as if it was a star. I'm gonna put the other one on the wreath. And then I just got some cute little Christmas ornaments, and I wasn't really thinking that those might be small compared to the physical tree, but we're gonna pretend we don't notice that. Okay, so first off, I'm not gonna be able to do this if it's uneven, because even if I do it now, then I lift it up, it might like fall back and it might just like collapse. So I'm gonna take some cardboard and I'm just gonna like measure out pieces of cardboard to match the height of the book, which sounds absurd, but I'll explain this. So I'm just gonna this is a piece from a shoebox. I'm just gonna take it, I'm just gonna cut it, and I'm just gonna like hot glue it onto itself. Okay, so what I'm doing for this, I'm gonna take my hot glue gun. I have just tiny pieces of cardboard. I'm just gonna glue on layers of cardboard and then trim it down later until I'm able to support that. This is currently 4 cardboards high. So let me test it. I'm trying to get a perspective. And maybe could use 1 or 2 more. 5 cardboards. I think that's good. So that now is balanced. So I'm just going to attach the cardboard. Okay, so after playing with this, I think that it's not what I thought it was, but in a good way. So I thought it was just like a wrap just of this single string, but it actually is like a dark twisted wire, and coming off are these, so it looks more real. Which means I've got 18 feet of this, which is quite a lot. Let's start. All right. So not bad right now. And oh god, I forgot. I have to put this in. Okay, so I'm already like just not thinking right. I'm already just like being myself and like forgetting literally everything that I was supposed to be doing, all my plans. Alright, so far we kind of have the bottom layer done. And this does not want to stay. Wow. Are you impressed yet? You really should be. So I think instead of gluing it to the wire, I think right now I'm just going to start gluing it onto itself. Like I'm going to wrap it and I'm just going to glue it onto the layer below. Alright, so I don't know why the camera's really fuzzy right now, but this is where we're at. I finished with one entire thing which claimed to be 9 feet, and this is what happened. And it's not even at the half. I thought 9 feet would take me to like there and I would have so much extra, but I guess not. I don't know if I'm like, it's all tangled up in itself. I'm pretty annoyed. I went through the other one that I got to see if there's like a way I should have been doing it, which I believe it's not, because if you look at it, there's this one big cable and that cable runs through the twisted cable, and then coming out of it are these, the green and the brown, and I think they might be counting that as 9 feet when that is supposed to be decoration. It is not actually like the physical cord, and this is not going to be long enough, and I really do not want to go back to the store because it's so far away. So this is not working, and I do not know what I'm going to do, but I maybe might place it, like spread it out more. Maybe tomorrow I could like work it in somehow and just get another one or two, but that's very annoying. I just realized they might be, I'm counting the 9 feet as in from this end to the other end is a certain amount, and this plus this plus this. So you're getting like 9 feet of like pattern, but it's not 9 feet long, and that is like a complete scam. This is the top to bottom look on my Christmas tree. So right now, this is all I can get out of it. And what I think I'm gonna do is I'm improvising on this. Like, there is no official way. So right now, everything I just twisted around the wires, so nothing is secured. So everything can easily change until I find the perfect way to do this, except for the bottom, which was a mistake, but I will fix that somehow. So if you look at this, I was holding it out this way. I'm going to turn it this way. So all the leaves are spreaded out, covering more space. So this is how much space that these leaves are covering just by spreading it out like that. And that does not look like incomplete. Yes, you can see that, but if you do that on all sides, it won't look like anything. And I'm just gonna do this thing on with hot glue. I don't know how I pulled this off, and I don't know if I'll actually be able to pull it off. So we're doing a little bit more work. There's a little bit less of air, but there's still like, this is probably the best I'm going to be able to get out of it. But I hot glued down most of the branches. Some of them are still a little loose, but I mean, like if these two are hot glued down, that one's not really gonna move. So to cover up these spaces, I'm going to take one from below, one from the top. I'm just gonna twist them, and it'll just cover up more space from different angles. And hopefully it'll stay like that, and this won't look like absolute garbage, which kind of is giving me a little bit of a garbage vibe. Okay, I am surprised on the fact that this actually looks like a tree. And so there is area on the top, but I realized that doesn't need to be covered because we have bows. Now on Christmas trees, people usually either have a little angel or a star. We personally, in my house, we have a little star, but for this, we couldn't find star bows. So I thought, you know what, this would be cute, it would be different. So we have two of them. So we're gonna put one bow on the front and one bow on the back. So both bows are on, and I kind of like it with the bows because it's more unique. And so I also got these, which are little ornaments. I can't imagine these are for real full-size Christmas trees because they are so small, but these ones are just smooth red, silver, and gold and green balls. And then we have smaller ones that are gold, silver, red, and green that are bumpy, and these ones are super cool. And I want to get those ones in the smallest, there'd be more of those. These are just the physical plastic, and I have the fun treat of putting the string on it. I finished 4 of the first round of ornaments. This is the tree. Oh my god. I just finished the first round of ornaments, but so far it looks super good. And now I have 24 little ornaments to make. I really don't care. I mean, what's 20 minutes anyway that I could be doing homework, but 20 minutes making tiny ornaments for a tree, that's way better. Okay, so little status update. Pretty good with the tree, but I have 13 little ornaments left to make. But on the other news, I found these, which are super cute, and I can use on the tree. Just some fun little light. Here is the completed tree. Why will not? My camera was not in the mood to focus today. The lighting is also really awful. But this is pretty much it. This took a lot longer than expected. I thought the most time consuming would be the actual structure of building the tree, when the actual most time consuming part was making the freaking ornaments. Time to officially set up with lights. This is the spot I chose for the tree. This is my little reading nook. Ta-da! That is the finished product. I'm actually super proud of it because I thought it would look awful. And it doesn't, it's always nice when things don't look awful. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to comment down below if you are already decorated for Christmas, or if Christmas is a holiday that should be decorated for in December. For me, it's definitely before December. Love Christmas. See you guys next Thursday. Bye.